Hello, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I will be showcasing my work, which I have done as a part of the assignment. So, all the code has been written in this public repository, which I have shared with the team. So, for this assignment, I have worked on React.js for the client side, and for the server side, I have used Express.js. These are some of the frameworks which I am more comfortable with, but I can work with Vue.js or Next or Next.js also. So basically, when we start with the servers, I have written in a such architecture so that we can add on anything which we want. So for the case of this assignment, I have created one user model, which has a single username and password, a favorite users column, which will be having a user ID of the other users, and we will be storing recent queries which performed by the user in a database, so that if user logs in from another device, then also we can see the recent queries he has performed. So that's the part. Then there is middleware, where I am taking care of the auth using JWT tokens. And for the routes, I have created separate routes for the favorite functions like add, remove, or get the favorites of the user. Query for finding the users based upon the name, which was the requirement, and the simple user routes for sign up, login, checking the authentication, and getting the other user's name. For the client side, I have worked on the React.js. So for the React.js, I have created three pages. The landing page, which is the main page, which has the capabilities of searching other users by their name, storing the recent queries, and then there is a simple profile page, which we will be directing to. Then there is a sign up and login pages. Then for the client and server, I have created Docker files. So using Docker files, I am deploying both the client and server on a OKDito platform, which provides a free tier cloud. For that, I have created some GitHub actions. So in the GitHub action, I am storing the client secrets and server secrets and deploying using the Docker Compose files. Uh, the basic setup is like that. I have scheduled a cron job for the run, and for after each commit on the main branch, I am redeploying the whole system. So let's just go on to the demo of the system. So when someone logs into the system, he gets the chance to sign up or log in into the system. So I'm just directly logging to get the overview. So after logging into the system, we are providing them with a simple interface where they can type the user's name. Let's say random, and we can just simply enter, and it will show all the people which has this particular substring in the name. So we can add them to our favorite list, and we can remove them also, re-add them also. Similarly, we can search for any person which has E in their name, so we can also perform those query. So all who has E in their name are our friends, so we can remove one. Also, let's try for something else. Let's try for Shubham. So this is also working. So as of now, I have performed three queries on the backend. So all those three queries are stored here. Like the last one was Shubham, the before that was E, and before that was random. So these three queries are stored in a database. So we are, if the limit of 10 is passed, we'll remove some of the previous queries and replace them with the current ones. And there is a simple profile where a person and his all favorite persons are listed. Yeah, so we can work on this also. But the main purpose of this assignment was to get the team familiarized with my skills and the full stack development and the complete CI/CD deployment. So I feel like I have proven myself on those aspects. If you have anything for me, you can send me a feedback, or I can surely work on that. And I'm eagerly happy to join the team.